Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review in the NASDAQ 100 as a weekly update since last week's price action. While the NASDAQ's conspicuous consumption bubble continues, we're very extended from the cloud, so therein lies the risk. And once again, it makes the 99 bubble look rather small. But nevertheless, we set for a year-end rally. Key levels to watch out for if we look at the weekly chart. The market did manage to rebound from this turning line of the cloud, so there's been support in that level, and that cluster of support coincided well with the front end cloud chart support zone, as well as these old highs. So these three levels are the cloud chart support levels for this quarter. As long as the market stays above these levels, should be okay. There's downside risk to dip towards the standard line of the cloud, so be aware of that. But as long as we stay above these levels, the current rally should be okay. We now need to get past these old resistance levels to the top there. I'll go to the daily chart for that. We can see that cluster of resistance there, as well as this beginning end of November resistance is now being tested. Now the market rebounded from a front end cloud chart support level here. Literally had a couple of hour or two to get your trades on there. Gapped up, so we don't particularly like the gaps at the wide price movements at the top end of the chart's never really a good thing. So the market really needs to take out this very bearish candle here. So far, that is the conspicuous consumption market top. So unless we take out that level, that top stands. And now the front end of the cloud has got some key support levels to watch out for. So we're currently floating around the standard line here of the cloud. The turning line is now below the standard line, so that's somewhat bearish. There was a cloud chart sell signal above the cloud, yeah. But there are swing trade opportunities from the current levels. This rebound back up to this breakout of this resistance zone, and then rally into the area to test these old highs there. Front end cloud charts, another support zone to look out for. So the 16208, as well as this level here, 16078. These are front cloud rebound, potential rebound zones if there's any weakness in the market. But we need to get past this major resistance cluster. See these multiple three lines there. The NASDAQ needs to break out past that level. Turning to the 4-hour chart, see if there's anything interesting happening there. Takes a second or two to load. There we go. We can see the front end cloud chart resistance came into play, pulled back a little bit to the standard line of the cloud here. And then we have a nice turning line cross there. So there's a weak buy signal on the 4-hour for the market. And then we have these front cloud support levels to watch out for. So the major line in the sand currently is 16027. So if the NASDAQ dips below 16,000 and price action is below the bottom in the cloud here, that will be bearish. So as long as we're above the bottom in the cloud here, the market rally should be okay. But any weakness below here will start signaling some trouble in the market. But levels to watch out for is this front cloud support level there. That level there is roughly 16157, and then this turning line of the cloud, that's also a standard line of the cloud. There's also a key support zone, 16157. So that's the cluster of support for a potential swing trade rebound. But the NASDAQ needs to break past this front end cloud chart, top end cloud chart resistance. So we need to see a significant breakout past that level. We've had a MACD signal here on the 4-hour. We've now had the cloud chart buy signal. So it will be interesting to see if we get past this level this week and rally into the rest of the year. But so far, so good. We are back above the bottom in the cloud here, so that's okay. So we're all set for the year end, but it will be interesting to see if we're going to get past these resistance zones this coming week. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.